Story title: The Sharing Tree. Deep in the heart of the forest stood a magical tree. Its branches were full of golden fruits, and animals loved to sit under its shade. But there was one rule: the tree only gave fruits to those who knew how to share. One day Benny the squirrel saw the golden fruits. "I will take them all for myself," he thought. Benny, greedy, "I will have all these fruits. No one else can touch them." Tree, softly, "Only those who share may enjoy my fruits." Benny grabbed a fruit, but it vanished from his paws. The tree whispered, "Tree, greedy hearts cannot keep my gifts." Benny sadly, "Oh no, what do I do?" Just then, kind Lily the rabbit came hopping by. She saw Benny's sadness and gave him her last carrot. Lily, smiling, "Here, Benny, you can have my carrot." Benny, surprised, "But this is your last one." Lily, "It's okay. Sharing makes everyone happy." The tree sparkled, and suddenly golden fruits appeared again. Tree, kindness and sharing make my fruits grow. Benny, "Wow, sharing really is magical." From that day on, Benny learned that sharing brings happiness. The forest was never hungry again. Benny, "I will always share from now on." Animals, hooray for sharing! Sharing makes the world a better place.